Yorkie. But yeah, I basically pay them no mind unless Carlos tells me to pay them mind anymore. Especially after the... Huh?
Yeah.